Hello everyone, it's another 5-minute episode by Simply Data. Have you ever wondered, do you have inactive company accounts? Or accounts that should have been deleted but for some reason have not? This is a common issue, especially when a company does not have a proper offboarding process or no proper workflow for deactivating service accounts. All of these pose security risks as well, as hackers could use these inactive accounts to break into your network. As usual, if you do have any further questions, just leave those in the comments or private message me directly on LinkedIn. I'm Samya, your host for today. In this demo environment, I have an Active Directory with a few accounts. Correct me if I'm wrong, as I'm no Active Directory expert here, but there is no way for you to add a display column to display all users' last logon time. Instead, what you can do is for each username, right-click and go to Properties. Then, navigate to the attribute editor to see the last logon time. In my environment, I only have 4 or 5 users, so it is still doable. However, imagine if you have hundreds of users. There is no way to keep track of this efficiently. What we have done here is created a PowerShell script to grab all last logon information and output these to desktop. Let's delete the old file and rerun the PowerShell script. As you can see over here, we have extracted all the last logon information for both the users and computers from our Active Directory. Don't get me wrong though, there are many tools out there that can do the same thing. It's just that we choose to use PowerShell script as our extraction method. The information extracted here is based on the CSV format, of course. We incorporate these into our security operations dashboards. Then, what we do is we take these CSV files and then extract data to be presented in the dashboard. Of course, this process is automated on a daily basis. Here, we can see a username that is never used, the last logon for each username, and the computer name. Using this information, we can then notify our customers on stale or inactive accounts that should have been deleted. All of these inactive accounts pose a security risk to the environment, as hackers could use these accounts to breach into your network. Taking a step back, the way we help the customer is to identify what their valuable data is, figure out a way to extract the valuable data, prepare the data for analytics, and then provide an insight suggesting where the customer can take action. It just so happens that, in this video, it is a security use case. But this data workflow is also applicable for network, performance monitoring, and business intelligence, as demonstrated in our past videos. That is the end of today's episode. Thank you all for listening. Don't forget to like, and if you're on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.